The Permian Highway pipeline has cleared yet another hurdle that paused construction in the Hill Country. The 430-mile pipeline is slated to stretch from West Texas to the Katy area. Construction has already begun, but the portion through the Hill Country has been on hold. There's been a lot of opposition and legal challenges. KXAN's Alyssa Goard tells us a federal judge denied a recent effort to pump the brakes. Alyssa, how soon could we see the pipeline in the Hill Country?
Well, Sydney, the judge's order says Kinder Morgan intends to start constructing the natural gas pipeline through the Hill Country immediately. The company has told us previously the Permian Highway pipeline will be in service by early 2021, but they haven't given us a timeline for construction in the Hill Country yet. They'd have to get a quick start on clearing out vegetation. Court records show the company is banned from clearing plants between March 1st and July 31st of this year in areas where the endangered golden-cheeked warbler species live. The warblers are small birds which live only in central Texas. Warblers and other local endangered species are at the heart of several legal arguments against this pipeline. The cities of Austin and San Marcos, as well as Travis County, Hays County, and the Barton Springs Edwards Aquifer Conservation District are all suing Kinder Morgan in federal court, arguing the pipeline would infringe on endangered species. They asked the judge to force Kinder Morgan to pause pipeline construction while their federal lawsuit plays out. The judge said no on Friday. While the court has concerns about the warblers who live near the pipeline route, they could not grant this restraining order, saying the cities didn't prove that Kinder Morgan's plans would do harm to the species as a whole. And Kinder Morgan says they are pleased with this court ruling and that the pipeline is in compliance with the Endangered Species Act. But the Texas Real Estate Advocacy and Defense Coalition, who has been opposing this pipeline for months, says they do not agree with the court. They say that they see a, quote, multitude of problems, both legal and scientific, with the pipeline's route. Sydney, back to you.
All right, Alyssa, thank you. And there's another lawsuit in the works against pipeline company Kinder Morgan. That one argues that all the pipelines feeding into and out of the Permian pipeline could eventually have the operation crossing state lines. And if that's the case, federal regulations would require hearings before the company can claim eminent domain. Kinder Morgan has already acquired almost 1,000 tracts from landowners. Attorneys say those people could get their land back.